Hello and welcome to another 5th grade video lesson. I'm Mr. Manella, and with me as always is my assistant Stu. What's new, Stu?
What's new? Oh, I tried a new Takis flavor.
Oh yeah?
Turns out there is an algae one.
Did you dip Takis into your dirty pool water?
I can't believe you guessed. Yes, it was delicious.
Ugh, how long ago was this?
A couple days when I was lounging in the sun.
And you didn't get sick?
No, but now I can talk to fish. Listen.
You really know how to keep me guessing, buddy. Okay, in our previous 2 lessons, we learned how to move a decimal point when multiplying or dividing by a power of 10. Today, we are going to build on that.
Okay.
Ugh.
Algae.
Today we're going to focus on how to multiply whole numbers by powers of 10. A whole number is any number that doesn't have a decimal point or a fraction part. But we'll get to fractions later. The rules for multiplying a whole number by a power of 10 are actually exactly the same as multiplying a decimal by a power of 10.
But Mr. Manella,
Yeah?
whole numbers don't have decimal points.
Buddy, that is a problem we can absolutely solve.
Oh.
Even though we don't write whole numbers like 745 here with decimal points, we can still give them decimal points before we move the decimal. We just have to make sure that we put the decimal in the right place.
But how do we know where the right place is?
You ever played Pin the Tail on the Donkey?
Yeah. How is that relevant?
I'm getting there. Where do you pin the tail on the donkey?
On the butt.
Exactly, on the butt. You can pin a decimal right onto the butt of any whole number like this. There, now it has a decimal we can move when we multiply by a power of 10.
You said butt.
And are you likely to forget it anytime soon?
No way. Pin the decimal on the butt of the number.
Then I have accomplished my objective. And now, if we multiply by a power of 10, we just move the decimal 1 spot for every 0 in the power of 10. 1 spot to the right. How many spots would I move my decimal here?
Oh, 3. I know, because there are 3 zeros.
Nailed it, so we write our whole number again, pin the decimal on the butt, move our decimal 3 spots, fill in our zeros, add our comma, and now we get...
That's a thousands comma, so that must be 745,000.
Sure is.
The butt. I can't believe you said butt.
I can't believe you dipped Takis in dirty pool water.
I do it again. No regrets.
And speaking of doing something again, you want to try one more multiplication problem? You can lead it this time.
Really?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Here is our problem. 3,206 times 100. What do we do first?
Write our whole number again.
Good. Here it is. And save your commas for the end. What's next?
Pin the decimal on the butt of the number.
Okay. There it is. Now what?
Well, 100 has 2 zeros, so we move it 2 spots. And we fill in the empty spaces with zeros.
Yes, we do. So now it looks like this.
Yeah.
Okay? And remember, you start from the right side of the number, count 3 to the left, and then add a comma. So, what's the number?
320,600.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so to recap, to multiply a whole number by a power of 10, you just pin the decimal point where?
The butt of the number.
Uh-huh. And then you move the decimal point 1 place to the right for every 0 in the power of 10. Got it?
Oh, I will never forget this.
Glad to hear it. This concludes our video lesson. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.